The one and only Multiverse presents a grand unified theory. Big Bang, black holes, matter creation, energy conservation. Big Bang of the Standard Model is pure energy creating matter, empty space, quarks, leptons, bosons, protons, atoms, planets, stars, galaxies, black holes? No, no, no. Your host, Richard E. Noer. This page and video is not AI generated. Black holes. Not supported by Einstein or the multiverse theory. John A. Wheeler, 1911-2008, age 97, he popularized the term black hole. Stephen Hawking, 1942-2008, age 66. Black holes, large superstructures with an extreme gravitational force. They are a hole in space-time, which accounts for its supergravitational pull. They attract matter and tear it into energy, before it disappears into God knows where. It is a possible link to different dimensions, or different parts of the galaxy. It also distorts time. TM says, oh boy. Where's the evidence? Stellar and galactic black holes violate all laws of physics, mathematics, and logic, but black stars do not. Fred Hoyle, Big Bang, 1915-2001. Age 86. Big Bang, English astronomer Fred Hoyle is credited with coining the term Big Bang during a talk for a March 1949 BBC radio broadcast. He said that the Big Bang was based on the idea that all the matter in the universe was created in one big explosion of energy, at a particular time, in the distant past. B. The black hole singularity theory. Only the Standard Model of the universe endorses this sequence. 1. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. 2. Matter is created from pure energy. So the conclusion is, the universe had to have started from only energy. C. The evolution. In the beginning there was a singularity of pure energy, that was infinitely smaller than a single atom, then suddenly, because of no known reason, it exploded with a huge creation of heat, light, and force. In a billionth of a billionth of a billionth of a second, it expanded faster than the speed of light. As it spread out and cooled, matter was created. So the universe was created in a big bang of something, in a vast expanse of nothing. Oh boy. There is a huge number of things and events that must be explained before this sequence makes any sense. This violates the current known laws of physics, relativity, and logic. In a universe, multiverse, the Big Bang theory has a probability level of 1. Who on earth would ever blindly believe this without more relative evidence? I bet I know why. It's because mathematics can be manipulated to support this concept. Who needs known science, accepted observations, evolution compatibility, relativity compatibility, or logic? Mathematics is all the proof you need. We can ignore all the other things because this idea fits the accepted evolutionary model and Einstein's theory of relativity. It states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, or can it? B. TM responds, how do you make matter out of energy? Answer. You can't. Matter has no energy but can produce energy. Energy is the movement of matter. C. Forget E equals mc squared. This is not how the universe works. The speed of light squared is a very big number, 90 billion. As it just so happens this number is compatible with a possible explanation of the level of energy that matter can produce. Unfortunately, you cannot tie this amount of energy to the speed of light. Light speed is a separate entity, and has little to do with the level of energy that all matter can create. Besides, the speed of light is supposed to be fixed. The energy level that moving matter has, is a variable, but I'm sure the number can be greater than 90 billion. In TM the minimum amount of energy that matter can produce is set, 0, but the maximum is not fixed. Light speed on the other hand, is a unit of measurement, and is supposed to be finite. In any case, it should not be tied to the composition of matter. This is because both are separate, and are not necessarily in unilateral compliance. Universe, multiverse, Cosmos. Space just before the Big Bang. In the Big Bang theory, there are black holes in the vast expanse of space. They lurk in between gas, spatial debris, planets, stars, and galaxies and have an extreme gravitational attraction. This creates the warping of space-time between all, including the black holes. Eventually, because of strong gravity waves, created by the black holes, the spatial structural matter of space will fall into the holes and be pulled apart. Matter will turn into pure energy, and time gets distorted. This is because of E equals mc squared. B. We are not done yet. Gravity eventually will merge all black holes in the universe into one, a singularity. This sets the stage for a universal creation. The Big Bang of pure energy. Oh my! TM says there is just too many things that haven't been explained. If you believe this, I also have a pot of gold for you, that I found beneath a rainbow. Let's get real. Conclusion: a universe creation Big Bang didn't happen. This is because all black holes do not merge, space-time is just too vast. Matter is existence, and energy is the product of material movement. This is what expands and shrinks space. Therefore, matter is the constant, energy is not. Finally, light, gravity, electromagnetic waves cannot travel through nothing, there has to be a medium. B. TM's explanation of universal existence: the matter of the cosmos is all there is, and all there ever was, and all there will ever be. It has matter and energy. It evolves, shrinks, and expands, but does not come into existence or leave existence. This is because you can't create existence. It had no beginning and has no end. I know, you want a beginning, but you can't have one. This is because nothing is nothing and something is something. There is no beginning, there is no end. See, in our lifetime we have learned that there is birth and death of all living creatures. We have observed that space shrinks and expands. Planets, stars and galaxies come into existence and die. And finally things blow up and cease to exist. So it is logical to conclude that the universe has the same fate. Well, TM says, this is where the idea of ending existence ends. There is no such thing as nothing. It doesn't exist. A universe, starting from nothing, is complete nonsense. The multiverse and a grand unified theory prophesy. Black holes? No. Big Bang? No. A single universe, beginning, evolving, ending? No. Energy creates matter? No. Vast expanse of empty space? No. Space-time are linked? No. Magnetism is exclusively a metallic force? No. Gravity is a wave? No. As you increase speed, time slows down? No. Quarks, leptons and bosons make protons? No. Spontaneous fusion occurs in a star's core? No. Hydrogen bomb? No. Photons, energy packets? No. Black stars? Yes. Multiple black star supernova at different times? Yes. A perpetual multiverse, universe, cosmos, existence? Yes. Matter equals a substance with height, width, and depth. It can create energy. Correct. Energy equals the movement of matter. Correct. Space equals matter plus magnetism. Both have height, width, and depth, polarized or non-polarized. Yes. Magnetism equals a flowing, changing spatial force of height, width, depth. Correct. Time is a measure of progress, not height, width, or depth. Correct. All that exists is matter plus magnetism and a polarized, non-polarized spatial force. Correct. Nothing does not exist. Correct. Gravity, anti-gravity are currents in a dark matter. C. Correct. Expanding, compacting and storing energy are the properties of dark energy. Correct. Your host, Richard E. Noer. Young me. Mini me. Email, noerastronomy@gmail.com. Here in a multiverse, our goal is to find the cosmic truth. No matter where, or how far it takes you, the universe truly does unify. If you get the basics right,